ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which really is very critical. ETH sort of appearances obstruction at $1,364.37, which basically is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum really is floating at $10,469,093,174 in an exceptionally significant manner. The amount truly is presently at $1,421.10 in an unobtrusive manner. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues. What certainly is transient cost expectation for Ethereum, essentially is ETH a genuinely wise interest in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the ETH specialized investigation, let us discuss the current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Market examination, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,154,329,028,372. Further appearance how the AMA by and large is right now at $1,421.10, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $44,480,359,250, exhibiting how over the by and large last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,154,329,028,372 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the AMA generally is right now at $1,421.10, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value reduction of 3.36%, coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere around 3.99 and at present exchanging at 45 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market truly is going in a kind of descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Right now, a truly broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum backing and obstruction, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a quite enormous way. Support really is a level at which purchasers become commonly more beautiful, dynamic, and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Ethereum backing and obstruction, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how as of now, a very broad truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution, the cost of Ethereum really is at $1,854.11, down 3.36% in the kind of beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 11.8% over the course of the week, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span in a kind of large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 10,469,093,174.00 US dollars, while certainly complete market cap came to 223,260,821,918 dollars USD, which explicitly shows that following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum most certainly is at $1,854.11, down 3.36% in the every practical sense. Recent hours and especially has a value change of 11.8% throughout the week, exhibiting how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period in a kind of huge manner. There sort of are just about 120,414,184 explicitly are available for use out of 120,414,184. Fundamentally further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum explicitly is drifting at $10,469,093,174, which especially is very huge. Ethereum value examination ETH cost examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside an all things considered everyday time period by and large made sense of underneath, showing how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving normal and dramatic moving pretty normal to examine the future development of the Ethereum in every way that really matters. Further appearance however for the most part last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,154,329,028,372. Certainly further appearance how the EMA fundamentally is presently at $1,421.10, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line for the most part is remaining above the genuinely signal line after an extremely certain hybrid. So following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum explicitly is at $1,854.11, down 3.36% in the precise beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 11.8% throughout the week, exhibiting how while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday outline. So market investigation, which essentially is very huge, RSI inferring solidification stage while exchanging at 42 and by and large is attempting to in a real sense break out of the impartiality zone, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. While ETH's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange fundamentally signal by and large is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that ETH sort of countenances opposition at $1,364.37 in an unpretentious manner. Ends the Ethereum market in every practical sense, is given indications of being negative, and merchants sort of have the in every practical sense potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money by and large lower in the in every practical sense. Next all things considered. Not many days, which certainly shows that while ETH